Great seeing you here again. My name is Luc de Koster and welcome back to our Math Survival Guide offered to you by the Koster Academy. I'm Luc de Koster, founder of the Koster Academy, and in this new video we will talk about linear equations and we consider the transformation between the standard and the point-slope equations. Basically the transformation from ax plus by is equal to c to y is mk plus k. Y is mx plus k. And of course, in the other direction, we will also see how we can transform the point slope expression y is mx plus k into the standard equation of a line, which is ax plus by is equal to c. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. So let's have a look at the transformation of ax plus by is equal to c to the point slope expression. The first thing we're going to do is how are we going from one expression to the other. And when we look at the standard equation of a line, we see ax plus by is c. The first thing what we do is bring the x part to the right hand side. So we have by in the left hand side, and the right-hand side is now equal to c minus ax. The next step is to divide both sides by b. So we find at the left-hand side y is equal to c divided by b minus a divided by b times x. And we know that c divided by b in this case is the y-intercept, and minus a divided by b is the slope m. And we can rewrite this expression as mx plus k. The next thing to do is to see how we can do that in an example with a real equation without the symbols. So we have 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. Like we did before, we bring the 5x to the right hand side, and the new expression is 2y is 10 minus 5x. We now divide by 2. And we see that y is equal to 5 minus 5 halves times x. And this is also k, which is equal to 5. That is the y-intercept. And the slope m is minus 5 divided by 2. We can simplify this also further, or we can write this in the typical point-slope expression. Y is mx plus k. And this becomes y is minus 5 halves times x plus 5. We can now do the same in the other direction. Now we go from the point slope expression to the standard equation of the line, and we find that y is mx plus k. We bring the x part to the left hand side, so we subtract mx from both sides, and we see minus mx plus y is equal to k, and we know from before that the slope m is minus a divided by b, so we replace that in this equation and we have minus a divided by b times x plus y is equal to k. The minus and the minus becomes a plus, and we multiply both sides with b. So we find ax plus by is k times b, and that is equal to c. So we have the final expression ax plus by is equal to c. Let's apply this on an exercise. We go from the point slope expression to the standard expression. We have the equation y is 2/3 x plus 4. We have a positive slope in this case, and the y-intercept is equal to 4. What we do first is multiply everything by 3. So we find 3y is 2x plus 12. And we bring the x part, the x element, to the left-hand side. So we find here minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. But we can also write it as 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. So these were two examples how we can transform the point slope expression into the standard equation of a line and the other way around. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. Bye bye.